Hey everyone, so in an upcoming video I'm planning to talk a little bit about closed captioning, and so what I wanted to do in setting up that example is use text-to-speech. And so when you go to the Insert tab in Articulate Storyline and insert audio, you have an option for text-to-speech. Now there's a few options handy to you. The first of which, what I would recommend, is that you add all of your notes here. So this is a 60-40 layout with a snowy cliffside cabin. And I will correct my spelling. Cool. So in the notes pane, if you put in notes similar to like your notes in PowerPoint, they're really handy for text-to-speech because when you go to Insert Audio, Text-to-Speech, you have an option here to copy from slide notes. So for this instance, so you could either type in like blah, 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 and that's your text-to-speech. So you can type it in manually. You can copy it from slide notes. And then the cool thing is that you can generate closed captions. You can also choose various voices. So we're just going to add some audio here, insert. And then what I want to do is go back to our timeline and click on our audio file, go up to Audio Tools, Options, and then just edit captions to see what happened here. So here we've got an exact caption for what we entered in our notes tab and then what we had for text-to-speech. So if you listen to this, it's going to be the text-to-speech narrating. Let me add a little, we'll add a second. Okay, click off of it, click on.
This is a 60-40 layout with a snowy cliffside cabin.
Save and close. So that was very easy to do and super handy. And then in the next video, I'm going to share some tips and tricks with the closed captions.